This thing I try to play.
Just like that.
Is this thing true or play?
No. Na action film. So una just one action.
Why your own action come late? The one where they don't talk for our ear, we don't do action since. Your own action come late. Why?
May you not be late. My prayer point. That's why your amen come silent. You not sure of the prayer point. You not sure of where the thing they come out from. My wife this year.
But at some point in my life, I want to be late.
You want to be late?
May
you be late when accidents want to happen. No?
Amen.
May you be late when...
When you be late when you marry, you define pikin. May you be late. But that thing where woman they have every month. If you have not let it when you marry, you will think. So at some point in my life, I want to be late. All right, now good morning. This better morning. Monday morning for inside anywhere where you dey. You understand me now? Monday morning, everybody they rush. Now that Monday they feel saying that then serious pass. I don't know why people they do this thing. Monday you go tell people they wear serious face. Nah lie.
Nah nonsense.
Nah lie.
Nah nonsense.
Not be you serious pass on Monday. The thing where you go do Monday, now you go still do Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The same time where you go wake up, go work. Now you go still wake up.
That's your psychological thing. Because even like on the Friday, now just see the same work, you go still work.
Yes.
But that ginger will say weekend. Nothing.
You can't they squeeze face like in Chico. They press face.
Monday morning. Forget it.
Especially those where they sell something. I beg. Don't come and ask for credit Monday morning.
So now Friday morning, I can sweet pass to collect credit.
People go still complain. Even if they make Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to weekend, only Monday be work. People go
still find one
people go still complain. But anyway, good morning, this better morning. I don't know. But what did you tell them say what happened to me on Friday? What did you tell them say happened to me on Friday?
Don't forget. I said I send you on a spiritual waka. So that's why you are not available on a Friday.
You know say I know verse.
I know say you don't verse.
I know verse.
Why you don't verse?
For what happened for that Friday, I know verse. Because the person where you carry come do you strong thing. She do you strong thing, so I know verse.
Only because they say,
I know verse at all. Like sweet me.
Skimpy Lolo. Oh, liar. She said she go suck my blood like this. I say,
we strong. Shout out to you, Skimpy, my girl. Any day, anytime. I love you plenty. Thank you so much for keeping this guy at check. On a check P.
Why be some people when they carry come saying, you know, They carry one kind of witchcraft behavior.
Forget. We get coven.
Eh.
But we know ourselves.
And all of them, nobody come brew. All of them.
We know now your type.
No, I don't know. But
we get short video.
Nah, but we take and do breaking things.
All
Until
right.
we come back, we enter heavy on top. Yan and every. Let's go there.
Take it
Boom.
away.
Oh, yeah, me count 2, 3, 2,
2,
1.
1, action!
Excuse me, so. Thank you, baby. Okay. Welcome.
Tears of joy.
She's a child. You know, say, it be like say maybe she don't dey beg her mama for that thing.
That particular
maybe she
dog.
really, really loves that thing. Because for them to bring the puppy for her, you see cry.
She even forget the dog self.
Surprise. Yeah.
No,
but you don't
I know
ever
the
give me
feeling.
gifts.
I know the feeling of it.
You don't go ever give me gift where go surprise me so that I go cry. Never.
Mayowa, okay.
What have you done for me that we emote my crying?
Mayowa,
What?
no worry. Before the end of this week, I will surprise you with something that will make you cry.
No be bad thing.
No. Shebi, you talk to me.
No be bad thing.
Say you can unleash your emotions. No worry. This week, you will see gifts wey go make you cry. No be cry, you won't cry. You will see gift. Different gift there.
Skimpy. Skimpy. Where is Skimpy?
Wetin happen?
I will send Skimpy.
Forget it. 12 now, not rich.
I will send Skimpy to you tomorrow.
I bet make me go talk to.
Thank you, mommy. Thank you. All right, on top today, gist Ogbolo, wonders will never end.
Hey!
Really, everybody where they not, anywhere where you dey for this Hamatan, I bring you to congratulations. Qatar want to kill me. Sore throat want to finish me.
Oh.
So pardon me. Throughout this show, I'ma be doing, but I go do it with swag, you know. Swag.
Your nose don't wet finish.
My brother, I just tired. There's no floor manager to give me tissue paper. Why? Bring your white shirt.
Stay far from me, please. Stay far from me.
All right, so this is when I get for now today. Ogbolo, back to my wonders will never end matter. Now, you know, so for inside Kano State, there's this thing where they call Hizbah. Hizbah na like one Islamic sector where they like Islamic law, Islamic police where they hold badness for inside states. Now, then get her for inside Kano. I know say Kano na predominantly Islamic states. Thank you very much. Now, then we catch some 4 guys where we say then torchlight one 13-year-old girl by force. Then catch them. I've even called the names of the guys give you, Seth. Isa, Husseini Jafar, Jamil Usani, and Isa Musa. 4 of them, they catch them together for inside one area for Kano State. Now, Papa, when they come to this one, they say, the papa, na mechanic, na in garage in day, when they come tell them, say, see what thing happen. When the Hizbah people call them, say, see what thing happen with your pikino. He say, in talk, say, must go court, he must go Hizbah court. One thing, no, we won't know. But the 3 people come out, come admit, say yes, then do and true, and then they sorry. Now, the last guy will be Jafar. Jafar come, Jafar talk, say, won't marry the girl. He come me, the papa say, I'm there sorry, but I want to marry your daughter.
I
don't get it.
And maybe when they do the torchlighting, by first torchlighting thing, turn to minister to them, saying, your wife be this.
He can't
but no be how old she be?
13
years old.
He can't say won't marry the girl. Apart from saying won't marry the girl, he can't bring him family members. They come meet the girl, say, oh, I serious, so I really, really want. But, you know, all this kind of marriage is not be new thing for that part of town. Anyway, but he say he won't marry the girl.
So the family income?
I don't know whether na remorse or na the sweet guy.
I say na the sweeter. Because the way they see that, person can just wake up, say, okay, you and your guys now first torchlight one girl.
For example, completed building.
So that means the remaining guys, that means your guys don't test for your
He say one marry her. In
for
fact,
your wife where you won't collect. So that they don't
the
test
papa of the girl now don't say well. He don't accept him.
Hey.
Wholeheartedly as his son-in-law.
Well, any which way, Sha. Hey, rape no be better thing, no. By force torchlighting thing no be better thing at all. But for this particular case, I don't even know what I want to go talk.
I don't know.
Because
I just confused.
the father say yes, but you and your friend, you won't come marry the girl. You and your friends don't chop the same food. You are not working for my head. Different people and emotional issues.
Okay, come on, man. But I'm talking about the story.
Okay, we're thinking about Hey, Chege. Okay. My own gist for this morning.
Pardon, you don't know what you just talk.
What be this?
You know, if you don't know what you just talk.
What be Chege?
On top national team.
Wait till be Chege.
You the cost person, your papa.
Okay. No, your daddy. Wait, your papa not be cost. Why people always say your papa not cost?
You read story.
If they say your papa, say he there for house. Not because. If they say Koni, you understand? What they say? Or if they say your papa, say he don't die. Or he did hustle for work. Not because. You understand? When they say Koni dabu, daddy. You understand here? So quickly. My own gist for this morning.
You know when? When I know this. You know when?
My own gist for this morning. This one concerned one papa, 190 years old man. Oh, this thing touched me. Pa Jacob Kende, Babajide, Paledon don't serve this country. He don't serve this country. Not be better gist at all. They say this man now, they collect pension for several years. He give 35 years of his life to this particular job when they work. Last, now make I just read the story like this. Yeah? A 91-year-old pensioner tell us about his experience for pension with pension people concerning his money. He said he never seen this kind of nonsense before. Say nobody tell him say give a reason to stop in pension. All of a sudden they don't stop in pension. 90-year-old Baba. He said they never pay him anything since August. And as a matter of be like this, he collects work July 10, 1950. Now he collects work with these particular people there. So, Pa Jacob Contox say 64 years old, more than 64 years old letter. Now they say making Congo bring final to come collecting pension. Can you imagine this kind of thing?
That's why they laugh.
Say work when start July 10, 1950. Employment letter. They say make go bring and come before you go continue to collect in pension. He consider person when say make go bring this thing. The pension letter, that particular employment letter, senior the guy, that's over 64 years. This thing, make him go find letter come. How? Before they will give him the remaining pension. Is this no wickedness of the high places? Now wickedness of the high places be this. So.
It's funny.
Because they pay the money before they can't stop all of a sudden.
If they stop, say maybe the company no get funds to continue.
That one different.
You feel program, we feel check them. But when they can't say they stop them because they say maybe go bring employment letter of about how many years ago, what's wrong with you? Really? What
employment letter we don't last like 64 years old. Making frame and that year. What's wrong to people these days?
Make you put like award for house. I don't know.
You say in children them.
Then
they help them. Because of this story now, I don't go frame, I don't put them for bank now. Now bank my employment letter day now, just in case. If I just say the bank won't fold up.
You go collect employment letter, and then we dey go break.
Hang down somewhere. This is not fair now. Old people dey now, pension. Young people plenty now. Be careful, though. If old people swear for now, not go work, it go work for now. We'll go break. Very bad story like this. Nonsense.
Moral of the story, go find your employment letter. We dey go break.